Hey, 30-minute marketers. In today's video, we're going to talk about Clickbank for beginners and should you be promoting Clickbank products. Before we get started, if you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker. I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. And to do that, check out the link in the description and in the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint to start your own online business today. Remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. And like I said, today's focus is on Clickbank for beginners. And let's answer the question, should you promote these products? Now we're going to hop over to the computer and look inside of Clickbank like most of these videos you see on YouTube do. But before we get started with that, I want to talk a little bit about what you should be doing with these Clickbank offers before you promote them. Making money is the end goal of this venture that me and you were starting, that we're both starting, that we're all starting here. We're trying to learn how to make money online. We're trying to become good marketers. Good marketers promote good products, or good marketers should promote good products. With that said, Clickbank is a marketplace and it does have good products, but it also has products that aren't really worth promoting. So this brings us to the question, should you be promoting the products on Clickbank? Well, I'm going to give you a little teaser to the answer, and I'm going to say maybe. And with that, let's go ahead and we'll jump inside and take a look at Clickbank and take a look at some of these offers and whether or not you should be promoting them as a Clickbank beginner.
Okay, so here we are inside of Clickbank. Of course, you can create an account here by create an account, but to just search the affiliate marketplace, all you have to do is click here to, as it says on the screen, choose from thousands of great products to promote. Now, of course, before you do this, you've gone ahead and you've already most likely chosen your niche. But if you are a beginner, a true beginner, and you haven't even done that yet, go ahead and check the card up here in the corner, and there will be videos on the channel that talk about niche selection. But in the case that you have and you know what you're looking for, you can just pop over here to the categories, and let's say, for example, let's just take a look at green products. These seem to be very popular, and I'm pretty sure that Clickbank has a ton of these that we can look at in these examples. So as you can see here, here's green product, alternate energy. As you can see, these are sorted by popularity, and for now we'll just stick with that. Of course, if you'd like to know what all these other metrics mean here, you can go ahead and check the link in the description for a blog post over at 30minutemarketing.net, how to make money with Clickbank. And if you scroll down, there's a crash course here for beginners, and one of the things that I explain here is what to look for before promoting a Clickbank product, as well as making sense of the Clickbank product metrics, as you can see there. So check that out again, link is in the description. So again, here we are, green products, alternate energy inside a Clickbank marketplace, sort results by popularity. And the thing we're talking about is, should you promote this product? Now, of course, if you're not in this niche, obviously you should not try to promote this product. But if this is in your niche and this product supports a solution to your audience, then we'll go ahead and we'll take a look at this. Of course, start here with average sale. These are all the good things to look at. Of course, here you can see here the dollar sign is one-time billing. It also has a recurring. There is a $1 trial. There's a Pitch Plus, which is an upsell. And of course, they have a mobile-friendly hop link. So all these things you should take into account if you're talking about promoting the product. But more than that, what we should be concerned with here is we should be concerned with this information you see here as far as the affiliate page and the affiliate support contact. Now, don't be afraid to contact the vendor if you need support, if you have questions about the product. Of course, before you contact the affiliate or the vendor as an affiliate, go ahead and check out the affiliate page by clicking on the affiliate page URL. Now, this is key as a Clickbank beginner to understanding if you should promote the product. Now, you should take a look and treat this as a lesson in marketing. Treat this as an education. A lot of people get caught up in the idea of looking at this and going, this has a huge gravity. I heard gravity is important, this has a great average per sale, and these things are important. But understand that as a beginner, and if you should promote this product, you should be looking at what the vendor has done, what the vendor has provided you as far as affiliate tools. So we'll just take a look at this affiliate, Backyard Revolution affiliate area. Promote our Backyard Revolution offer and easily rank up. So the things you're looking for here, why promote us? These are all great. This is all great information. Now this is again a lesson in marketing. This is not them marketing their product to your audience, to your end customer. This is an affiliate page. This is a sales page for you as an affiliate. They are selling you on promoting their product for them. Okay, so take all this with a grain of salt as you read through this and do your research. Of course, here's where you get your affiliate link. So you have the main affiliate link with exit pop, and you have without exit pop. So this is going to be important for different types of, if you're running paid traffic, some paid traffic will allow exit pop, some won't allow exit pop. So these are things, plus also it depends on your audience. Does your audience prefer exit pop or without exit pop? These are the kind of things that you're going to learn about your audience as you understand how to market to them. The things they like, the things they dislike, not just as far as products and solutions, but the types of marketing that they prefer or don't prefer. So be sure to go here and click here to sign up for a free Clickbank account, of course, but get your email swipes. You want to read these and make sure that they have some information here that you can use. Of course, don't just copy these. Swipe is being used here as a term of inspiration. So they're providing some great information here. So you want to take a look at those. Here you go. They have add materials. So you can click here and that will download a zip file with some photos. There's some banners, and of course they have affiliate contact information. Again, this is the support contact for you as an affiliate. Make sure that you read all the terms and conditions. Of course, please adhere to FTC guidelines. No negative marketing tactics allowed. Okay. In addition, you must not use the following promotional materials if approved for this affiliate program. So they're telling you all the things that you can't do. So you want to make sure that you pay close attention to that. Of course, read about all their other policies as well as their refund policy, so you completely understand that. So should you promote this product? Well, the only way you're going to know that is to actually check out this sales page. So we'll go ahead and we will check out the sales page. You can either copy this link or you can go back to the marketplace and you can click on the promote button. And when you click on the promote button here, it will give you the ability to put in your account name and generate a hop link. So those are the ways that you can actually get your hop link or your affiliate link. If you click here on this, so what I did here is I clicked on this link to view the Backyard Revolution offer. So what you want to do is you want to actually visit the sales page. So here is the sales page. The video automatically starts playing for this on this sales page for this product. In the headline here, MIT Discovery can cut power bills by 65%. So what they do here is they have a video, and that video is going to play, and most likely, of course you should watch this video, but most likely this video is going to play and it's going to have a timer here on the sales page, and the buy button is going to pop up here below after it gets to a certain point. So you need to understand that about the sales page and make sure the video resonates with your audience. So again, these are things that you're doing as the affiliate. And there's the exit pop that they referred to. These are all the things that you're doing as the affiliate when you're determining whether or not you should promote this product. Of course, we go back to the marketplace. Again, you're focused on how much you could possibly make, the average sale you could make. It's very important, but it's also very important to understand the tools that are provided and also the sales page. And then, of course, it is my recommendation, you don't always have to do this. If you can contact the affiliate or the vendor as an affiliate and you can get review access to this product, that's great, but it would be better if you could actually purchase the product and use it, because if you're into this niche, alternative energy, it's going to behoove you, it's going to be in your best interest as well as the best interest of your audience to actually buy the product, test the product, and see if the product does what it says. So should you promote this product? You should not promote this product just based off of the average sale and just off of the gravity. Yes, those are important. They have important meanings. Of course, average sale is money you're going to make. Gravity is relative to the number of affiliates that are promoting the product. So these are good things to look at. But your job as a marketer is to understand that the sales page resonates with your audience and that the product does what it says and that the vendor supports its affiliates by giving you the information that you see here on the affiliate page. One other thing that I'll note, as an affiliate, what you need to understand as a Clickbank beginner, as a beginner affiliate marketer, this average sale is $44.29. You need to step back and you need to understand what this number means. To you, this means that every time you sell this, you're going to average $44.29. So that is important to you to understand how much money you can spend to acquire a customer. Of course, you're acquiring a customer for yourself, but also for the vendor. So the vendor is paying you $44.29 to acquire a customer for them. So think about, they're able to pay you $44.29 to go out and find customers for their products, because inside of this funnel and on the back end of this, they're going to have other products that they're going to sell to the customer that you bring them. So you need to, again, use this as a marketing lesson. So when you're thinking about becoming a Clickbank affiliate, and I'm speaking to you as a beginner so you understand what the vendor is doing by placing their product on Clickbank. They're allowing you to promote for them. They're paying you to generate customers for them. So they are spending $44.29 out of their pocket to give you that money, so you go out and you'll find more and more customers. So you're able to profit, they're able to profit, they're giving a good product to your audience, and they're generating a customer as well. So take that all into consideration when you're thinking about, should I promote this product? Because all this stuff is important for you and your business, as well as the business of the vendor that created the product. So on that note, if you want to find out more information, there's some great blog posts over on the 30minutemarketing.net blog, and of course I'll leave these links in the description. So I have tips, tactics, and techniques to help you become a more successful affiliate marketer. Also, how to pick a product as an affiliate marketer, as well as what does a beginner need to know to start and become a full-time affiliate marketer. Again, all these links will be in the description to the blog. I highly suggest that you take the time and go read these articles, watch the other videos here on the channel, and really think about, as a beginner, should I promote the products on Clickbank in 2020? Are these products good products? And the only way to know if they're good products is to go here and search for them, and don't just pay attention to the average sale and the gravity. Actually dig in to the affiliate page, buy the product, contact the affiliate, check out their support, make sure that the product does what it says it does, make sure that the affiliate tools here, the email swipes, and these ad materials and this banner information and these terms and conditions match your business, your structure. Make sure this sales page will resonate with your audience. That's what it boils down to. Though all those things, not just how much money you could make off of one sale, but how much money you can make if you acquire a customer that is interested in this solution to their problem inside of your niche. Your audience has a problem, you have a solution, it's this product on Clickbank. Make sure that all these things are in your best interest, are in the vendor's best interest, and most importantly, are in your audience's best interest.
And I'm back to wrap this video up. So we took a look inside these products, and now I think you understand what I mean by should we be promoting these products. The answer really is it's going to depend. It depends on if this product solves your audience's problem. Because once you pick your niche, and the niche being the problem, the solution, and your audience, if you can find through solid research and through actual investigation of the product, other than just the price, like we looked at in the examples. If you actually go and you check out the affiliate page and you check out the vendor and you check out the product, if it matches your niche, if it solves an actual problem that your audience has, and you've tested the product and you actually do a real review of the product, then yes, you should promote Clickbank products. You should continue to promote Clickbank products as long as the product that is being sold on Clickbank solves your audience's problems. And that's it. That's the reality. But don't forget, the issue here that we're trying to do is we're not just trying to work to make money online. We're trying to learn a skill to keep making money online, to do this for the rest of our lives, to learn a skill. So, for example, people like to talk about how long is it going to take them to make $100 a day. Well, how long does it take you to make $100 a day right now? If you're working a minimum wage job, you're not even making $100 a day, but you're spending 8 hours a day at that job. But how are you advancing yourself? So my recommendation, and I'll wrap this video up with, forget about the 4-hour work week. It's not a reality, not yet. Okay? So Clickbank for beginners, it's a great place to go to learn how marketers market their products, how to develop products, how to create products, how to market and create products, real products, the ones that you find, the real good ones, products that you find that actually solve people's problems. And it's not just about solving a problem as in it fixes all their troubles, all their worries, makes them money. Maybe the product just simply makes them feel good. And you only know that if you actually get the product, review the product, and then present it to your audience in a way that helps them solve their problem, whatever that problem may be. And with that, don't forget to hit the 30-minute timer right here. Subscribe to the channel, ring the bell for notification of future videos. Check out the videos here on the end screen, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.